कार्तिक में सभी स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं ऑस्मोसिस एंड ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर सॉल्यूशन चैप्टर का। All these substances which are bound by membranes, these members can be of animal or vegetable origin, and these occur naturally such as pig bladder or parchment, or can be synthetic such as cellophane. These membranes appear to be continuous sheets or films, yet they contain a network of microscopic holes or pores. Small solvent membrane having this kind of property are known as semi-permeable membrane. If this membrane is placed between the solvent and solution is shown in figure 8, the solvent molecule will flow through the membrane from pure solvent to solution. Process of flow of solvent is called osmosis. This pressure that just stops the flow of solvent is called osmotic pressure of the solution. The important keep in mind that solvent molecule always flow from lower concentration to higher concentration of solution. Osmotic pressure is proportional to molarity of the solution at a given temperature. T pi is equal to CRT, and pi is osmotic pressure, and R is gas constant, and 2 upon B. RTV is a volume of solution in liter containing into moles of solute. If W2 grams of solute or molar mass M present in the solution, then W M2 equal to W2 upon M2. These certificate can calculate. Measurement of osmotic pressure provide another method for determining a molar mass solute. The method is very usually used to determine molar mass of proteins, polymers, and other macromolecules. The osmotic pressure have the advantage over the other method as pressure measurement around the room temperature and molarity of the solution is used instead of molality. Two solutions having same osmotic pressure at a given temperature are called isotonic. When solutions are separated by semi-medium, no osmosis occurs between them. For example, osmotic pressure associated with the fluid inside the blood cell is equivalent to 0.9% volume mass by volume. Sodium chloride is called saline water, and hypertonic if the salt concentration is less than is called hypotonic. If we place the cells in the solution containing more than 0.9% mass by volume sodium chloride water will flow out of the cells, and they should shrink. Such a solution is called hypertonic. Edema क्या होता है? The resulting puffiness or swelling is called edema. Water movement from plant roots and subsequently into upper portion of plant is just partly due to osmosis. The preservation of meat by salting and of fruits by osmosis of bacterium on the seed fruit loses water reverse osmosis, and water verification. The direction of osmosis can be reversed if a pressure larger than the osmotic pressure is applied to the solution. That is how now many pure solvent flows out of the solution through the semi-permeable membrane. This is called reverse osmosis and is of great power. Abnormal molar mass such a molar mass that is either lower or higher than the expected normal value is called abnormal molar mass. In 1980, one-half factor introduced a factor I known as one-half factor to account for the extent of dissociation and association. This factor I is defined as I equal to normal molar mass of one abnormal molar mass. Observed colligative property or calculated colligative property is equal to total number of moles of particles after association or dissociation to number of moles of particles before association or dissociation. In case of the value of I will less than unity, and while the dissociation greater than unity, relative lowering of vapor pressure of solvent is P1 naught minus P1 upon P1 naught equal to I and 2 upon M delta TF. TB equal to I kV M and depression of pitching point delta AF equal to I F into M osmotic pressure of solution I and 2 RT upon V. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। धन्यवाद।